Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Capital One Bank app not working. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure Capital One Bank application is up to date. So open up the App Store. In the search bar, simply search for Capital One and then tap onto it. And just like that in this button, if it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, head back to your home screen, open up settings. Inside settings, all you have to do is simply tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, search for Capital One Bank app, then tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload again. Uploading the application will remove the app but keeps the data. After that, simply tap on reinstall app. Now head back to your home screen and then check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, you can try uninstalling the application from your mobile device and then reinstalling again. Tap on delete app, then tap on delete app again. Once deleted, head back to your app store and then reinstall the app. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Capital One Bank app on your phone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.